are in our winning season. I wouldn't invest a whole bunch of time trying to prove yourself for Legal Shield. If you want to leave out of here and win big, you're going to have to do it even while other people are negating the fact that Legal Shield is real. We know Legal Shield is real. We have over 60 new ringers in 2024 and ringer levels. So you don't have, listen, maybe you thought as a prospect, it's all right, maybe you thought I was asking your permission on whether you thought Legal Shield would work or not. I was just asking you whether you wanted to participate and get a piece of what's already proven to work. That's the posture, you don't have to say that, but that's the posture I want you to have. So the cheetah never uses its speed to prove to a wild dog or a hyena that it's faster. It only uses it to eat. It uses it to hunt. So all the time we're spending trying to convince ourselves that Legal Shield is better, we're spending time away from the person we should be prospecting and saying, man, I've been praying, I've been looking, I've been waiting, I'm so excited to join you. So if you want to have the right mindset, guys, I don't know what you're going to have to do, but I can tell you what I did. What I did is I put myself around people who thought like I wanted to think and who were thinking the way I was thinking. I also made sure that I attended as many in-person events as I could. Back then, they didn't even have virtual. So I attended all the in-person events so that I can increase my environment. If I was around all Spanish-speaking people, Darnell Self would be speaking Spanish. If I put myself around those who think big, I start thinking big. If I put myself around those who invest, then I end up with a greater stock portfolio, digital currency, on real estate. Put yourself around people who think like you want to think. And then the last thing is, for me, I always watch what goes into my earpiece. And so I used to listen to this song all the time. And that song blessed me. That song kept me going because sometimes life happens, but you got to still realize it's a winning season regardless of your circumstances. Let's play that song.